Replacing the door hinge is easily done. First, you'll need to remove the hinge cover by either placing a flat-bladed screwdriver underneath of the hinge cover and removing, or you can open the door, remove the door, and slide the hinge cover straight down off the hinge. To remove the hinge, take a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that mount the hinge body to the front of the cabinet. The plunger light switch is in the body of the hinge. Once the hinge screws are removed, take the hinge and you'll have to remove the switch to replace the hinge. Carefully slide the plunger switch forward and out of the hinge body. The new hinge will come with a plastic lift-off hinge bushing that can either be a right hand or a left hand, easily removed with a slotted screwdriver. Carefully take the plunger light switch and place it into the body of the new hinge. Remount the new hinge to the face of the cabinet, making sure that the wires from the plunger light switch are not pinched. You're also going to replace the top and bottom hinge that mounts to the side of the door, making sure that the adjusting plate is adjusted properly as to not have the gaskets bind. Remount your hinge covers into the side of the door hinge by snapping in place. Once the hinges are replaced, remount the door, making sure that the hinge pins fit properly into the hinge bushing and that the door closes by itself and the gaskets seal properly. For additional information, visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com.